Okay, so for this slide, we're looking at multiple narrators. So when a book has multiple narrators, that means that it follows the voice of more than one character rather than focusing on one main character. So some of the benefits of this is that it allows readers to see into the characters' minds. So we actually get to hear what the characters are thinking or what they are seeing. And then again, it gives readers more than one point of view to see the world or the situation from. So what point of views did we get to read in section 1? Well, we saw a lot of Daniel and Natasha's point of view. We also caught a little bit of Irene, who was the security guard at the immigration center. And then we also got a little bit of third-person narrator. So a third-person narrator is told by an unknown narrator that is not directly involved in action. So we saw that with the Samuel Kingsley section, and then the Korean and Jamaican history culture sections, and also a little bit that deals with science. So I put an example here for you guys to see to help you maybe understand this concept more. So this is my point of view example. Alex got into a fight with his brother before going to school. Due to this fight, Alex is upset and this causes him to misbehave in class. If readers only got the teacher's point of view, they probably wouldn't understand Alex and his conflict completely, or we wouldn't even know about the fight with his brother at all. So if this were a book, it might be beneficial to have 2 points of view, so that way we can see what Alex is going through as well as see what the teacher is going through. So then we can get the teacher's point of view of the situation and Alex's situation. And this allows us to maybe understand Alex and his character better.